Welcome to Wellness Tube. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of one of the most popular fruits around which are apples. You probably know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But are apples really that good for you? Let's find out. Nutritional profile. One medium apple, weighing approximately 184 grams, contains about 94.6 calories. This makes apples a low-calorie snack option that can easily fit into various dietary plans. Despite their low-calorie count, apples are packed with essential nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. Apples are considered nutrient-dense fruits, offering a substantial amount of nutrients per serving. Here is the detailed breakdown. Water, 156 grams. Apples have a high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and contributes to their crisp texture. Sugar, 18.9 grams. The natural sugars in apples provide a quick source of energy, making them a great option for a healthy snack. Fiber, 4.37 grams. The dietary fiber in apples supports digestive health and can help maintain a feeling of fullness. Protein, 0.43 grams. Although low in protein, apples still contribute to your daily protein intake. Fat, 0.3 grams. Apples contain minimal fat, making them heart-healthy and suitable for low-fat diets. They also provide small amounts of vitamins E, B1, and B6, along with being rich in polyphenols, a group of antioxidants. Health benefits. 1. Supports weight loss. Apples are high in fiber and water, making them filling and aiding in weight management. Studies suggest that whole apples increase feelings of fullness more than apple juice, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 2. Heart health. Apples have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. They contain soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels, and polyphenols that may help lower blood pressure. High intakes of flavonoids found in apples are associated with a lower risk of stroke. 3. Regulates blood sugar. Apples help stabilize blood sugar levels due to their fiber content, which slows the absorption of glucose. Consuming apples is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, likely due to the polyphenol quercetin. 4. Gut health. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of good bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Apples contain anti-inflammatory substances, mainly fiber and quercetin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation. Eating apples has been shown to lower C-reactive proteins, a marker of inflammation, and may protect against asthma and improve lung function. 6. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants in apples may offer protective effects against certain types of cancer, including lung, breast, and digestive tract cancers. Apple polyphenols have been found to inhibit cancer cell growth. 7. Brain health. Quercetin in apples may protect the brain from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. 8. Satisfies hunger. Because apples are high in water and fiber, they make a filling snack that can help manage hunger and support weight loss. Choosing apples over high-calorie snacks can contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. 9. May help fight asthma. Apple skin is rich in quercetin, which can help regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, potentially making apples effective against asthma. 10. Promotes longevity. Regular apple consumption is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and cancer, the top 2 leading causes of death. Studies suggest that eating at least 1 apple a day may reduce the risk of lung cancer and other chronic diseases. Incorporating apples into your diet. Apples are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Eat them whole, add them to oatmeal or salads, use them in baking, or pair them with nut butter for a nutritious snack. To get the most health benefits, consume apples with the skin on, as it contains half of the fiber and most of the polyphenols. Apples are a nutritious, convenient, and affordable fruit that can significantly impact your health. Including them in your diet can help support weight management, heart health, blood sugar regulation, gut health, and more. Whether you prefer them sweet or tangy, apples are a delicious way to boost your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Tube for more health tips and insights. See you in the next video.